Soon the Civil Rights Act of 1964 was passed. Martin Luther King Jr. was also awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 1964. Many people did not agree with King and his work towards racial equality. These people sent him death threats and bombed his home. He was arrested a total of 29 times. On April 4th, 1968, King was shot as he was standing on the balcony of the Lorraine Motel in Memphis, Tennessee. In 1983, Martin Luther King Jr. Day became an American federal holiday. It is observed on the third Monday of January. The day is near his birthday. It is a day when people celebrate King's life and his contributions to the struggle for racial equality. Also on that day, many people honor King by volunteering their time in service to their neighbors and communities.